If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes all-wheel drive with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Call today to schedule a test drive.